Ever held a debit card that feels like it means business? One that clinks rather than bends, that has a satisfying weight in your hand, and just screams premium before you even tap it? If you're anything like me, the answer is probably a resounding yes. Because let's be honest, in a world increasingly dominated by digital payments and virtual cards, there's still something undeniably cool about a physical card that stands out. And that's exactly what the Monzo Metal Card aimed to be, a statement, a tangible representation of a premium banking experience. But is it all just a pretty face, or does the Monzo Metal Card genuinely deliver on its promise of a premium experience? Does it justify the monthly fee that comes with Monzo Premium? And perhaps most importantly, in a world where we're increasingly just tapping our phones, is a physical card, especially a metal one, even relevant anymore? These are the questions we're diving into today, as we put the Monzo Metal Card under the microscope. We're going to break down everything you need to know, the aesthetics, the durability, or lack thereof, as some have found, the features that come bundled with it, the cost, and ultimately, whether it's a worthwhile addition to your wallet. For those unfamiliar, Monzo is a digital-first bank that's gained immense popularity for its user-friendly app, smart budgeting tools, and fee-free spending abroad. They offer several account tiers, ranging from a free basic account to paid plans like Monzo Plus, Monzo Perks, Monzo Max, and the one we're focusing on today, Monzo Premium. The Metal Card was historically exclusive to the Monzo Premium account, a tier designed to offer a more elevated banking experience with a range of additional benefits. While Monzo has recently shifted its plan offerings and card designs, the Metal Card remains a notable part of its premium past and current conversations, even if its availability or association with specific plans has evolved. It's important to note that as of my last update, if you were a Monzo Premium customer, you could often keep your Metal Card even if you upgraded to a new plan like Monzo Max. So, let's start with the elephant in the room, or rather, the metallic elephant in your wallet, the look and feel. When the Monzo Metal Card first launched, it was a real head-turner. A sleek, minimalist white design, crafted from a single 16-gram sheet of steel, with a precision-engraved Monzo logo. No embossed numbers on the front, just a clean, unadulterated aesthetic. It felt substantial, weighty, and frankly, a bit luxurious. Holding it, you immediately got the sense that this wasn't just another piece of plastic. It had that satisfying clink when you put it down, that reassuring heft that other cards simply lack. For many, this was the primary draw, the sheer tactile pleasure and the perceived status symbol of owning a metal card. It just looked cool, felt cool, and made you feel a little bit cooler by association. However, and this is a significant however, this premium feel has been a point of contention for many users. While it looks stunning out of the box, several reports have highlighted issues with its durability. We're talking about discoloration, chipping, and staining, particularly when kept in leather wallets or alongside other cards. Imagine investing in a premium product only for it to look tatty after a few months of regular use. That's a common complaint. Some users have reported black dirt accumulating, others have seen marks from their wallet lining, and some have even experienced the card peeling or the chip falling out. It seems the beautiful white finish, while aesthetically pleasing, might be a bit too prone to showing wear and tear. Now, Monzo themselves have acknowledged this to some extent, even putting out disclaimers about certain fabrics like leather causing permanent discoloration. This raises a fair question: if a card isn't designed to withstand the environment of a typical wallet, then how premium is it truly? While Monzo has been generally good about replacing faulty cards, the fact that this is a recurring issue for a product designed to be a premium offering is definitely a drawback. So, while the initial impression is fantastic, the long-term aesthetic appeal might be a gamble. Beyond the physical card itself, what exactly did the Monzo Premium account, which offered this metal card, bring to the table? It wasn't just about the card, it was a bundle of features designed to enhance your banking experience. One of the big draws for many was the comprehensive insurance package. Monzo Premium typically included worldwide travel insurance for you and your family, covering everything from emergency medical bills up to £10 million, lost valuables, cancellation costs, and even winter sports. For frequent travelers, this alone could often justify the monthly fee, as the cost of standalone travel insurance can easily exceed Monzo Premium's subscription. Additionally, it came with worldwide phone insurance, protecting your device against loss, theft, and accidental damage, including those dreaded cracked screens. This is a significant benefit, especially considering the cost of repairing or replacing modern smartphones. And, if you opted for Monzo Max, you even got UK and Europe breakdown cover. These insurance benefits are tangible, practical, and for many, offer real financial value. Then there are the financial management tools. Monzo has always been lauded for its intuitive app, and premium beefed that up even further. You could connect other bank accounts and credit cards to get a holistic view of your finances all within the Monzo app. This connected accounts feature is incredibly useful for budgeting and tracking spending across different institutions. The credit tracker gave you access to your TransUnion credit score and provided insights into how to improve it. Custom spending categories allowed for a more granular breakdown of your expenditures, letting you tag and organize transactions beyond Monzo's standard categories. This level of detail is a dream for meticulous budgeters. For those who like to save without even thinking about it, advanced roundups were a popular feature. While the standard Monzo account rounds up your spare change to the nearest pound and puts it into a pot, Premium allowed you to multiply that roundup by 2, 5, or even 10 times, accelerating your savings efforts. Imagine every £3 and 40 pence coffee becoming a £4 debit, with 60p going straight into your savings, or even £6 if you had the 10x multiplier on. It's a subtle but effective way to build up a savings pot. Virtual cards were another key feature. With online security being paramount, virtual cards allow you to generate unique card numbers for online purchases, keeping your physical card details safe. You could even create multiple virtual cards for different subscriptions or online retailers, offering an extra layer of security and helping you manage your online spending. If a virtual card is compromised, you can simply delete it without affecting your main physical card. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.